Heidi ho there, friends. Bobby here today along with my son. What's your name?
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel. Hey guys, today we're going to be putting together a tool cart, okay? This is the 30-inch US General brand tool cart that we purchased at Harbor Freight, okay? We're going to show you how easy, hopefully, it is to put together because it comes disassembled. And then we will give our thoughts and opinions on what we think of it, okay? And Nathaniel is actually going to be leading the way today with putting this thing together. I'm going to help him along, but I'm going to make him do most of the work. So stay tuned, friends. Folks, first of all, I want to show you what this thing looks like. Here's the picture on the side of the box, okay? Pretty cool looking tool cart. They come in all different colors, yellow, red, orange, black, white, I believe even. And I decided to get one of these things. I'm going to give them a try. I've heard some people say some pretty positive things about them. So this is what we're doing here today, guys. Nathaniel, I want you to begin to unbox this tool cart. Have fun. Oh boy, don't make a big mess of that now. You know that stuff, you're going to be the one cleaning that up, right?
Yes.
I just wanted to make sure. All right, lift those legs out of there. I think that's the legs to the cabinet. Go ahead and lift those up and hand them to me. And we'll see if we can get the rest of the packaging off of there. Lift that cardboard off of there, thing. I think it'll come a little easier. See if I can help. Oh, there we go. Well, we got it now. Good job, buddy. All right. More of that styrofoam stuff. We'll have to bust that up and put that in a bag. Is this fun? Oh, check it out, guys. Hey, there we go. Looks pretty cool. Looking pretty cool. What's the matter?
His hands!
Huh?
They're gonna get his hands!
They're gonna get them hands? Oh boy. Oh my goodness. You're gonna clean all this up. You know that, right? You're gonna sweep all the little pieces up off the floor. Alright. Let's see. Hang on a minute. Yeah, don't be careful of that. Go ahead. Go ahead and take it off. I think that's just a little cover that goes over the lid. Let's see if we can lift the lid up. It might help.
Yes.
There we go. Now pull that off of there. Alright. And hold that for just a second so it don't fall. Pull this little piece of tape off. Alright, hold that. Don't let it fall. Alright, we're going to get to this right here, guys. We're going to get to the instructions so we can look over that right quick. And then we're going to watch Nathaniel put this sucker together. What do you think about all this, Nathaniel? You think you can put this together? Huh?
Oh no.
I believe in you, son. I believe in you. Now, wait a minute. You can't just start sticking things together until you read the instructions, okay? All right. You're just going to stick it on there, huh? What is that?
It's something you...
It's the shock.
Yeah.
It's the
shock
shock
you
absorber.
put in the
There should
thingy.
be, there looks like there's two of them. There's
Yeah.
one for each side.
Yeah.
And that's going to hold the lid up, you know,
Yeah.
when you go to lift it up, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's look at the instructions.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we can continue to unbox. We have our lower shelf over here that we took out of the box.
Finally.
And Nathaniel is getting some of the other goodies out of here. Pull that box out. That's a heavy box. Just pull the whole box out of the drawer. Right here, just sit right here. I think that's going to have all our hardware in it and all of the, let's see what else is in here. Just a drawer liner here. What else do we have? Oh, you can go and open that box now. Let's see what we have over here, folks. Just another drawer liner. Just make sure we had all our hardware here. Pretty good looking little toolbox here, folks. What do you think, Nathaniel? Let me get a knife for you. Make sure it goes all the way out. So it snaps like that.
Oh, okay.
Now, go ahead and cut your box open. Cut the tape. All right. Good job. Watch it. Yep, don't cut towards your hand. Other hand. All right, now lift it up.
There it is.
There it is. There's the wheels, baby. All right. Okay, friends, what we've done so far is we're putting the two straight casters on the bottom part of the cart, okay? And it's held on with some castle-headed machine screws, flat washers, and some locking nuts. Go ahead and tighten that last one down, Nathaniel. Good job, buddy. Okay, guys, hey, we got all four of the casters installed. Two on one side actually have swivel casters, the others are just straight. And there is a grease fitting here. Bring the camera on down here. See the grease fitting? So I went ahead and greased these up a little bit. And I was wanting to shoot some grease on this side as well. But I'm gonna have to get me a can of white lithium in a can where I can do that. I may do that after later on, next time I run to the parts store. So stay tuned, we'll continue getting it together. Guys, we're getting ready to attach these legs here, and this here, you want to definitely read the instructions, because it's telling you that on the end where the bolt hole is like 1 inch from the end, they want that facing down toward the cart, and this end here facing up. Bring the camera down here, we'll show that we've got the cart flipped upside down. So we're going to go right here on the outside, just like so, and bolt all four of these legs in place. Now guys, with all four of those uprights bolted into place and just finger tight right now, we're just going to leave things finger tight until we hook up whatever we're going to hook up here. Okay folks, we have these center support bars in place now, and this little tray here that mounts on the side where the swivel casters are. It tells you in the instructions. So now, with everything just finger tight, I'm going to hand over the cordless impact to Nathaniel. He's going to tighten everything up for us. So get started, boy.
All right. Right.
All right, good job.
There we go. Gotta go
You
the
had it?
gotta
You
go,
had it?
gotta go the other side. There we
Oh,
go.
okay. All right, that's good. One more right there.
Okay, gotta go the other side right here.
All right, and the other side. You like doing mechanic work? You like it?
Let's get back to work.
Huh? Get back to work, okay. All right, guys, we got the drawer section into the framing here. We're not going to show you that actually taking place because there were some curse words that were said during the filming of that. But we will just tell you this, I'll give you this tip. Do not snug these center bolts down, okay, on the center bracing until you set this in place, and you'll have a much happier time getting that down in there than we did. Having fun, Nathaniel?
Gotta put this in.
Gotta put that handle on, don't you, boy? Nathaniel has already put this little handle here on for us. We gotta tighten it up with a Phillips head screwdriver, I do believe. We're going to install these shocks right quick, and then we'll actually go around and bolt each corner in place. And there are some little corner brackets right here that we're going to take out of the package, and these go on the inside. All right, we got these little shocks held in place here now, and we are going to tighten these down if we can. And you will need a 12mm wrench and a, well, maybe not. A 12 and a 13. Actually, hang on, pause it just a second. All right, I had to go back and get a thinner 12mm wrench, folks. So I think we got all these tightened now. Go over here to zip this side here together. Man, this is a pretty cool little toolbox. What do you think about this, Nathaniel? Pretty cool so far, ain't it? Hey, you gonna talk? He's too busy doing the camera work right now, guys. All right, so anyway, we got the shocks on there, handles tightened down. It's time to, oh, that feels good. I like that. Nice stiff shock absorber there, holds it up nicely. Okay, now we have got to get these corner brackets out of this package. What did I do with my knife? I don't know. I don't think I need it. So we got 4 of these little brackets, just like this here. And they're gonna go in these corners, and we're gonna put the same screws we've been using, these bolts here, and the same nuts, and we're gonna put all these corners here together with putting this bracket on the inside, okay? So let's start doing that, and then we'll be back with you in just a moment. All right, Nathaniel is putting the final torque on these bolts here. We got 1 corner done anyway. So let's just move on and get the other 3 done, and we'll be close to being finished, right, Nathaniel?
Yes.
All right. All right, guys, we're just putting the final touches on this bad boy, tightening down some of these bolts. Tighten that one up, Nathaniel. All right, good job. How you like that ratchet wrench? Pretty cool, huh? See, it's tightening, and it's letting you ratchet. Ain't that neat?
You piece of junk. Come on, you.
No, you can't talk dirty to it now. You gotta be nice. You gotta be nice to the nuts and the bolts and the stuff. Otherwise, they won't be nice to you.
Oh, crap.
You gotta keep a cool head when you're working on stuff, okay? You got it?
No. It's in the way.
Well, here, let me help you. See how I'm doing this?
Yes.
You gotta let it come way down here so you can get a bite, all right? Where it can ratchet. See there?
Yeah.
All right. We got 1 more there in the back to do. Keep going. You're getting the hang of it. Sometimes you gotta put your finger on it to see how, so it can ratchet. All right, keep going. Keep going until the nut gets tight enough to where it will be tight enough to where it'll ratchet and wrench. Keep going. You're doing good. Everybody's got to learn. There we go. Now you don't have to hold it anymore. Keep tight until you think it feels tight. Is this exciting? Can you look at the camera? All right, good job. All right, 1 more here, and then we should be done. All right, I think that's it, Nathaniel. Okay, friends, bring the camera right on over. We are done. We've got everything hooked up on this thing. I'm liking it, okay? Let me just show you something right quick. All the drawers have these little levers on them here that you got to release before you can open the drawer, okay? That's pretty cool. It does come with drawer liners. Only this one here is actually laying nice and flat. Might have to get a little bit of heat on those bad boys to actually lay flat. Come up top here. Looks like the lid actually squeezes down the locking mechanism that will actually hold the drawers, okay? So that right there will keep it from coming open, okay? So let's go ahead and lower the lid 1 time. And it comes with 4 keys, which is awesome, okay? So let's just check the little lock here, if we can get it in here. And we'll turn it that way, and look at there, it locks, okay, awesome. I think that's really cool. I'm really liking this cart, guys. This thing is like $229. I could have waited and got waited till it went on sale. I think they go on sale sometimes for $199. But I wanted to go ahead and get it, okay? Let me see the camera. Let me take the camera right out of your hand there, Nathaniel. And I want to bring it over here. I want to show the people. If you'll look here on the side, you got holes on both sides of the upper cart where you can stick screwdrivers down in here. Just let them hang, okay? I've got my big old finger right in the way. Sorry about that. So we've got these actually on both sides, okay? You got the holes right down through here where you can stick screwdrivers or extensions or anything that'll fit, and then lock it down. Guys, I'm liking it. Right over here, you got a place to put maybe some cans of penetrating oil, some type little cans of brake cleaner or what have you. Of course, you have your bottom section down here in the bottom where you can throw a few things as well. And I just think it's a pretty cool little cart. I think I'm going to enjoy using this. So far, I think for $220 something, I think it's money well spent. I've seen the ones off of the name brand tool trucks that are twice, maybe 3 times as expensive, and they don't really look like they're any better than this. I think for the money, you can't go wrong. They look good. They come in all different colors. Go by your local Harbor Freight. Check these things out, guys. They'll have one in every color put together in the store. See what you think. I think you'll like it. I think you'll buy one. Have a great day. I'm not getting paid to tell you that either, believe me. I wish I was. But anyway, we will see you later. Have a great day.